Hello, hello. Please come live. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Sorry. Good afternoon. Hello Shipraji. Good afternoon. So Shipraji, is everything visible? Okay, right? My voice and my workplace, everything is visible, right? Properly audible. Hello Bindu ma'am. Good afternoon. Ma'am, is everything okay, ma'am? Clear? Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Hello, Kenzie. I can see. So today I'll be teaching you wet on wet technique. Okay, wet on wet itself you can know it is an yeah. Thank you, Shipraji. So today I'll be teaching you wet on wet technique. Okay. So hope you all will be learning this very carefully because you need to be a bit like you can do any like your wish, but you need to be a bit careful while doing. See, I have kept a cotton handkerchief. See, I have took a cotton handkerchief. See this way. See, this is 34 rupees. You will get less than this also. You will get for 20 rupees also. See, handkerchief, white color handkerchief. Or this wet on wet technique you can do on dresses, chunnis, anything you want, tops and all. Preferably if it is cotton, that would be very nice. Uh, I have done a like a wet on wet technique on a silk chunni, a dupatta. So it also came well. I'll show you that also. Right now I not find it where it is. I'll just post you my picture. Okay. So the materials needed are fabric colors or acrylic colors. Anything is fine. Fabric is fine or acrylic is also fine. And you just need to take a handkerchief and just keep it in an embroidery ring. Okay, keep it in an embroidery ring and draw any design. See, I have drawn flower. Okay, freehand, any your wish, freehand you can draw anything, or else if you want to trace any picture you can just trace a picture. Like, see, it is in see, this is a flower I have drawn today. Okay, you can see, right, what I have drawn. So today I have drawn in flower. So see, I have took a plastic cover. Plastic cover. I'll be. Shipraji, yes, actually, for cotton it will be more you can just see that effect more on cotton cloth. Okay. You can also see like you can do on various cloths, but on cotton it will be perfect. I would say just practice it first on the cotton. First, you need to get it like you need to be perfect on the cotton. Then you can try on other materials also. Okay. See, I have tried on silk material. This is cotton. I have tried on cotton material, silk material, and jute bags and all. Uh, that's fine. If you can first practice it on the cotton one, that would be very good. Okay, so see, so I'll just place a plastic cover underneath of this, and on that I'll just keep this design. Okay, or else your paper or anything will get spoiled. So be careful. You just need to keep this, okay? Keep an plastic cover under, okay? Under the design, okay? So I'll wait for 2 minutes because this is an last day. I'll wait for a few more members to come. So this is your last class, right? So if you have any doubts, any suggestions, anything, you can just call us personally. Any teacher, you can call us personally. You can message us personally. If you have any queries, please do come to us. Like you can contact us, no issues. We will help you out anytime. Not only now, after this 39, like this classes are completely over also, anytime you can just contact us. You can just ask us any doubt you feel to, okay? So so let us start then. Hope they're not, okay? uh can see miniature clay. I'll just talk to you, uh, okay? I'll just say when I'll say, okay? See, miniature clay works are same like the things we have taught in the beginning. Like, see, we have taught this paper weights, on that we have gave you some dolls to do and all. So those are also miniature works. So so many of the group members are not interested in those things. But you don't worry. I'll give you a solution. Don't worry. I'll just talk to you after the class, can see. So don't worry. If you have any doubts, you do let us know. No problem. So first, take some water and a brush. Uh, you people don't worry about the classes. Like we have completed 39 arts. So if you have any, like anything, we'll not go anywhere. We'll be here only. You will don't worry at all. Okay. So now take water. Just simple brush. You just dip in the water. You just dip in the water and wet the cloth. Okay. Wet the cloth. This way, just damp it, wet the cloth, okay? This is the technique, wet on wet. So on the wet cloth, we'll just do with the wet brush, okay? This is the technique. So wet the cloth not only on the flower but also around the flower also, you just need to wet, okay? Around the flower also you need to wet. See, around the flower also I am just wetting it. A bit more water you take and just wet it, okay? In this way you need to just take water with brush and wet it till the design is completely wet. Not only design, surrounding the design, like surrounded the design, this all should also get wet, okay? This type of things can be done on your dresses, chunnis, I mean dupattas, and children frocks, or your tote bags, jute bags, or anything you like to. Like this is in a fabric painting only. This is a type of fabric painting. Normally wet on wet technique. This is fabric wet on wet technique. Normal wet on wet technique is normally done with watercolors. Okay, on paper it is done on watercolors because watercolors get spread like this way only, same. On the paper, if you want to do wet on wet, you just need to use watercolors, okay? On fabric, you just need to use this fabric colors, okay? Got it? So on paper, if you want to bring the wet on wet technique, you just need to use watercolors. and this is in fabric, so I'm using fabric colors or acrylic colors is also okay, no problem. Everyone can see, right? If you have any concern regarding the uh, like printouts or anything, you just let me know. This is just an hand drawn design. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding how I am doing and all, if you're not able to see or anything, just let me know. So this is completely wet. Okay, see, yeah, this is completely wet now. Now take a thin brush and colors. First, I'll color this this flower part. Okay, petals of the flower. So I'll just take blue, light blue, dark blue, and navy blue. Ouch. So first, just apply it on the borders. Okay, this way, just apply on the borders. Okay. Let it spread, no problem. Let it spread slowly. Okay, let it spread slowly. Just leave it to spread. Okay, take water and then just allow this to spread. Okay, now just take another color and again you do the same on that also. Inside also you just do it. Okay, this way. So see, it's spreading, right? Yes, these are fabric paints. You can also use acrylic colors, Shipraji, no problem. Now I'm just taking this dark wala navy blue and I'm just doing borders this way. I'm just touching it on, just giving some lines. See how it is spreading. See, it's spreading, right? Good afternoon, Prudvi. Prudvi or Pavan, I don't know. See, in this way it just need to spread. Okay, then next flower also I'm just coloring. I'm just doing the same thing. I'll just draw the borders, and inside also I'm just filling it up randomly, not completely, just randomly I'm filling it up. See, this way, randomly. You are able to understand, right? Randomly I'm just doing it. Now I'll take this dark color blue and again I'm just doing it on that. See, just randomly color. Okay, randomly color. Okay, now I'm just taking this navy blue See, see how it is spreading, right? See how it is spreading. I'm using fabric paints. Fabric paints. I'm using fabric paints. Okay. See, let it spread. Okay. Let it spread. Okay. Now take green color. Different color shades of green. You just take different shades of green. See, for flower, I have took different shades of blue. Of just to mix it up. See, I'm now taking different shades of green and yellow. Okay, different shades of green and yellow. Now take green and just draw the borders in this way. First you just need to draw the borders. See, you're able to see, right, what I'm doing. So let them also spread. Next you take another green, another shade of green, and just randomly draw in the middle. Okay, randomly draw in the middle. Randomly, just randomly draw in the middle. Just give the strokes. Okay, and this way just do the strokes. See, you're understanding, right, what I'm doing. I'm just doing the border again with all the shades. We just need to do the border again. Okay, in this way. See, you're getting. So I'm just taking the darkest shade of the green, and again I'm doing the border. And in middle some strokes. I'm just giving some strokes. Okay, okay. Now I'll just take some yellow and give some strokes with yellow also. I'm giving strokes with yellow also. Okay, light strokes. Okay, strokes here and there. So with yellow once again, just I'm just doing the border work. Outside the border I'm just doing. Okay, with yellow. Just draw the complete border once. Okay, in this way. Now see, you people are understanding, right, what I'm saying. So so now just take brown for the stems. Okay, for the stems you just need to take the brown. Everyone is understanding, right? If you're not understanding, please let me know. I'll explain it again. Please let me know. I'll explain it again. Be careful. Don't like mix up all the colors. You just need to give the strokes. Just strokes. Don't paint. Okay. Just give the strokes. Just see, in this way, just take the color and just give the strokes and outlines. Okay, just give the strokes inside and outline you need to give. Okay, now take brown and draw the outline and just strokes in the between. Okay, just strokes in the between. Strokes in the between. Okay, now inside also for the leaves, just give one stroke of brown. Okay, this way. Now wait till this dries up. Okay, wait till this dries up. Now just take dark blue and just draw strings in this way. Okay, so now everyone is able to understand, right, what I'm doing. See how it is spreading. Don't lift up. Okay, don't lift the painting, just keep it as it is. Don't lift until it dries. Never lift wet on wet painting until it dries. Okay, brown, take brown. Don't lift it until it dries. Okay, now take a red color or orange color. I would like orange. You can take orange. You can take orange color and you can just don't lift the painting. Okay, don't lift the painting until it dries up. Don't lift it. Okay, so this way you need to draw. See, painting is over, but you have a work to be done. After dries up only, this dries up only, you need to draw outline again with black or white. Okay, black color or white color, you just need to draw a outline again after this dries up completely. Let me dry it up. 1 second. So it should dry up, then only I can show you how to do the outline. Okay, it should completely dry up. You dry up it in the sun or under the fan. Okay, don't be hurry like me. I am just in hurry to show you. Don't just hurry up. Keep it in sunlight or keep it aside so that it will dry naturally. Okay, so I'll just explain it one more time. I'll just show you one more time. See, it should just be like you should wet the design. Okay, you just need to take a plastic cover and keep it under this one. You just need to take a cotton cloth, and on that you can draw any design with by your choice, a hand printed or like hand by your hand, or else you can just take some means like a printout or anything your wish, and you just draw it, and on that you just need to fix this with the embroidery ring, and after that you just need to wet all the design, and surrounding the design also, around the design also you need to wet with a brush. Okay, uh, like you try to wet it a bit more, no problem. So don't like make it messy. Okay, see, my cloth is wet till here only. See, my cloth is wet till here only. This all is dry only. So this way you just need to make it wet. Okay, you should not wet up complete one. Okay, so this is how you need to draw, and just take the color and just do the borders. Okay, do the borders, and after that you just give the strokes in between. Okay, just give the strokes in between. For flower you can use which color you want to use. You can use different shades in that. Okay, if you want to use red color for the flowers, you can use yellow, orange, red, pink, white. That way you can use. Okay, now in this with this one I have used blue shade, so I am using that navy blue I have used, light blue I have used, dark blue I have used. So see, okay, so after that for leaves I have used green shade, so I am giving light green, dark green, and all yellow also I have given. So this way I just do the outline first, and then I just gave the strokes in between, and let it spread by itself. Okay, let it spread by itself. Let it spread by itself. Okay, it should spread completely and neatly. Okay, it should not be wet. After it completely dries up only, you just need to give the outline. Okay, just need to give the outline again. So everyone is able to understand, right, what I'm saying? Please let me know if you have any doubt regarding this. Don't lift the painting. Okay, don't lift the painting at all. Okay, don't lift the painting at all. Let it dry. dry, then only lift it up. Okay, don't lift the painting, don't like move the painting from the place it is, don't move at all. Okay, don't move the painting from its place. So this is how we do wet on wet painting. So I hope everyone have enjoyed this 39 paintings, right? Please let me know if you're like satisfied with this paintings. I hope you all liked this 39 arts, and we will be waiting for your submissions. We will give you time to submit, so please do check our last videos, all videos in our 39 arts group. So please check and do the article and submit it as to us. Okay, and this will help you out a lot. You need to do, because if you have paid and if you don't do, you'll not like how if you have got it or no, you'll not know. So please do it, try it, then only you'll know that you have got it. Okay, please do and submit the articles. So maybe it will take some time to dry. So, if you have any doubts regarding any of the arts, please let me know. Thank you, Shipraji. Will be waiting for your submissions. If you have any doubts regarding the arts, please let me know. See, just leave it as it is only. Don't do it again and again. I'm just doing it. After completion of everything, then only you can just do the outline with black or white, any two, black or white only outlines you can do. Okay, if you want to do, yes, actually for fabric paints you just need to dry. After drying you can iron it, then it will be like more beautiful, and it will not go away easily. Normally if you don't iron also, it will not go away that easy, but if you iron, this will stay for a longer time, very longer time. Okay, you just need to iron it, then it will be very nice. Like it will be this durability will be like nice. It will take time to dry up, you just need to wait for drying it up. So it's still half an hour only. uh, See, I'll just give you some idea, like see how you can do on in another one. I'll just show you. See, See, this one you all need to just fix it up in this way only. You can draw any of your own ideas, like you can draw sceneries also with this. You can just see on paper if you want to do, you just prefer watercolors. Okay, you just prefer water cakes or watercolors. That would what on what technique would be very beautiful with it on paper. But on the fabric you just prefer fabric colors only, and this is the way you need to do on the fabric, I mean on the cloth. Okay, cloth. So uh, let us wait for it till it dries. Okay, see, I'll show you one of my silk. See, you all can see this, right? You have three colors. See, this isn't chunni actually, dupatta. This is my dupatta actually. We'll get like this one is not coming. Actually, I not see, this is under the bench itself. Like I can't take it now because I can't move this. So see, this is a white chunni on which I have done wet on wet technique. I'll just, after completion of this, I'll just remove this and I'll show you. This will be like circle forms. Okay, this you'll get chunnis with multicolored, right? That way this is there. So you can wear this chunni on any, like this. You can wear this dupatta on any of your dresses. See, this is a multicolored one. See, I have washed it multiple times, but color not fade or go away. See, so this is how I have. This is a not in cotton material. This is a silk material. I have done wet on this chunni itself. So I have so many wet on wet, but I am not finding it anywhere. I'll show this. I'll just show this after the completion. Just leave it that way itself. It should spread by itself only. After spreading only you can do a small outline. That's all. You just not, no need of like a painting or anything. This will do like this effect will be more beautiful by natural process only. You just need to give the strokes itself. You just no need to paint and all. It will look beautiful. This effect will look beautiful after dried up. You'll only see now. So if anyone have any doubt, please let me know. By the time it dries up, please let me know if you have any doubts, or else if you want me to say anything, please let me know. I'll just show it. I'll just show you again. If you want to say me anything or show me any, like anything this way, I mean again, if you want me to explain this again, please let me know. I'll explain you. Please let me know. I'll explain you. If like any of my classes, if you have any doubt, please let me know. I'll explain you. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Or else if you have any doubts in this, I'll just do it again and show you. In which one you have doubt, please let me know. Sorry, I know this will take a bit long process because it should dry up. So today is the last class. Please, if you have any queries or anything, let me know. I hope you all enjoyed the class, all classes. Or else I'll just we have 15 more minutes, but we can just wind it up because it will not dry up right now. I thought it will take 1 hour of time to do, but it's completed very fastly. It will take time, but it will. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Niyati, ma'am. So this will take time to dry up, at least 2 to 4 hours. It will take time to dry up. I'll just complete it, and I'll just post in the group or else. Okay. So as today is the last class, I'll just wind up fast. If everyone is okay, I'll just wind up, and I'll just do this completion, and I'll just post in the group itself. Okay. So this will not dry up very fast. It will take at least 3 to 4 hours. Mm, so by the time I'll just wind up, and I'll just keep the pic of the uh, my last work of wet on wet. Yeah, I have, but like it is in, it is I have kept it here. It's not coming out. I have to lift this up. So we can't move this. I was searching everywhere. It is under this only, under this on this bench only it is. So I need to lift it up and take it, but right now I should not move this. I have so many, but like I have done it on my dresses and my sister dress actually. She's not here, so I have only one sample to show you, and this is under this one. So I'm really sorry, but I'll just complete it, and I'll just post it in the group. Okay. Uh, okay then. Let us wind up for today, and this is the last class. Thank you for the all the cooperation, guys. Thank you for everything. This 39 days, like 39 days, not 39 days, I think it's more than 39 days. We have enjoyed a lot with you people. Thank you for being a part of this 39 arts. Hope we'll all means we'll travel more and more together. Okay, and so uh, be in contact with us. If you have any concerns, doubts, anything, please let us know, and we'll have an Google Meet or Zoom Meet. Means on Monday. Uh, Please do attend. Okay, please everyone, please attend without fail, because this is our last meeting. So please do attend, everyone. I need everyone to attend, because after this we'll not have any live sessions or any Zoom classes or Zoom meetings or anything. So uh, please let us know what is. Thank you, Shipraji, and thank you for being so patient with us. Like you have been so patient with us. Thank you for everything. On Monday, please take some leave, like 1 hour. We'll just meet. I'm just saying today only because make yourself free on Monday, so that we can meet on Monday. Okay, we'll just talk for half an hour or 1 hour, and we'll just wind up. Okay. So everyone, please do attend the meeting on Monday. We'll just give the details in our group, WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you so much and love you all. I'll miss you all. Thank you. So I'm winding it up. I'll just complete it and I'll just post in the group. Okay. At what time means we'll just decide. Like, please let us know, everyone, what time is suitable for you in the group, or else we'll just say a time. When time, please make that time free. Okay. Uh, if anyone are having any like jobs or anything, please let us know so that we can manage and plan accordingly. Okay, we can plan accordingly, so that time we can meet on Monday, like from morning to evening. At what time we'll meet, we'll just give you information tomorrow. Okay, please make yourself free on that day, Monday. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you, have a nice day, bye.